bunch of #. Before I start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, stay up to date with all my motherfucking videos. Follow me on my social media, will be in the description box. Below, give the video a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a fucking penny. Helps the channel out. I really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button. Use all my fill links in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Saw on, I don't know where I saw this, but Dairy Queen's got a new cake batter cookie dough blizzard. So I'm gonna go check it out and tell you what the fuck I think. So there's one right down the street from here. I just got some gas and figured I'd take you guys along with me, try it out, tell you what the fuck I think. So let's go try this fucking cake batter cookie dough, limited edition. Let's go ahead and try it out and I'll tell you what the fuck I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. I can see it from here. Cake batter cookie dough blizzard of the month. There it is. Yay. Damn, they have churro dipped cones too now? Holy shit. Oh man. Looks like I might have to come back for a churro dipped cone at some point. Churro dipped cone. What a time to be alive. 2023 churro dipped cones. Man. Yeah. Yeah, I would like a mini cake batter cookie dough blizzard.
A mini cake batter cookie dough?
Yes.
There be anything else for you?
That'll be it.
Actually, you can go ahead and pull it on through total.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she sounds like a pretty little thing. She sounds like a pretty young thing. Oh man. Look at the gains. Look at the gains. Oh man. She does sound like a pretty young thing. Man, this guy's about to fuck his car up. Well, taking this turn tighter than fuck. You ever seen a drive-thru like this? I literally just ordered it right there, and then now you have to take a 90-degree turn. Like, what the fuck is this bullshit? It's a weird ass Dairy Queen setup. And you're behind an alley almost. It's on a corner. So it's like, I don't know, it's kind of fucking weird. Yep, I don't know. All right, let's see if she's a pretty little thing. Pretty little thing. Yeah.
Hey, it's almost 427.
Oh, thank you. She's all right. Yeah. Thank you. Thought it was supposed to be served upside down.
We don't participate in that.
For real?
Yeah.
It says it out there.
We don't participate in that.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, I was just messing around.
I know.
All right, thank you. What? That is really odd. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So I was just reading on the thing. It says serve upside down, or you get yours for free. And she literally just hands it to me. She's like, "Here you go." And I was like, "I thought it was supposed to be upside down. Or I get it for free, right?" She said they don't participate in that. What do you mean you don't participate in that? It's a Dairy Queen thing. Isn't that like all Dairy Queens? Like that's the thing? That's their thing. They do the whole thing. What the fuck? It's so weird. Let's get a thumbnail action. How about we get a thumbnail, huh? What do you guys think? Think we should get a thumbnail? Thumbnail time. Come on. Boom action. Boom. All right, so it's pretty hot out today. The air is probably hitting. It's probably gonna sound like shit because well, I'll turn it down a little bit. There we go. There we go. I should be able to survive like this. How do they not participate in that? That's crazy talk. Ooh, this thing looks so good. I'm a whore for cake batter, man. You tell me you got cake batter in a fucking minivan, you're probably gonna get me in that minivan. You know what I'm saying? You're probably gonna get me in there. I ain't gonna bullshit you. This looks like regular ass ice cream with some sprinkles, if I have to be honest with you. Yee. Ooh, that's so good. Ooh. Ooh. Tastes like cake batter ice cream with sprinkles. There's the first cookie piece. Look at that. Little cookie dough piece. I'm a whore for coke. I'm a whore for coconut. I'm a whore for cotton candy, cake batter, Oreos, Reese's. Mmm. This is really good. Damn, look at those pieces. Mmm. This boy hitting. Mmm. This boy hitting. Oh yeah. This boy hitting. Mmm. Mmm. Man, that's good. That's fucking good. So, the sign literally says, served upside down, or next one is free. The sign literally says it right before they give it to you. So how do they not participate in that? I probably could have talked to the manager and got some shit for free, but I'm not an asshole. I'm not an asshole. You know what I'm saying? This is a really good fucking blizzard. If you like cake batter shit, you're gonna like this a lot. And by the way, if this is your first time to the channel, subscribe! It's fucking free, man! Jesus Christ! How stingy can you be with the shares and the subscribes and the comments and the likes? How can you be so stingy with all those things when it's free? There ain't nothing free in this world, really. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's free. So the fact that you can like it, share it, comment, all for free, and you still ain't doing it, I don't know what else to say, guys. Woo! Mmm. I just got some more pieces. This shit fire as fuck. Mmm. 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 That is so good. Look at that. Gone. You're probably asking yourself, Jerry, why'd you get a mini? Because I don't want to throw away all my macros. This is like, what, 300 calories? 400? I can easily maintain that. But a small is like 700, 800 calories. Shit gets crazy. You know what I'm saying? So, solid as fuck. Definitely would recommend it. I'm not going to rate it because it's regular ass food. And I don't try to... I try not to rate stuff where it's regular food. I only rate like fitness stuff usually. But if a regular cookie dough blizzard is a 10 out of 10, this is also a 10 out of 10. I will say that. It does live up to the cookie dough name. So I gotta give this a 10 out of 10. It's really good. So I guess I am rating it. Fuck it. 10 out of 10. There it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new, subscribe, all that shit. It's free. I really do appreciate the support. And subscribe to the channel. Check out my other content. Usually do fitness shit. Yada yada. You know the drill. Everything you know is in the description box below. We're progressing and never regressing. Other than that, you guessed it. I'll check you guys later. Yay. Yay.